Welcome to another session in the Saga Tapestry Project, sponsored by the National Nordic Museum of the United States in Seattle, Washington. I am your host and instructor, Claudia Pétursson. If you are unfamiliar with this project, please refer to the introductory video titled The Saga Tapestry Project of Iceland. If you have not already purchased a kit to join us, please go to the National Nordic Museum online store shown in the link below. All right, let's get started. The couching stitch A, filling in. Now that we've completed our outline, we will start the filling in stitch. I will take my wool in this direction and then afterwards tack down in this direction. So we begin by coming up from the back, close up against the inside of the outline stitch. Since the linen is woven in a grid, we can use the linen threads as a guide to keep our own thread straight. And once I have a sense of where the thread should go, I place my needle and take the thread down. Now I come up from the back but a little ways off to the side, again up against the outline. I don't want to come up right next to my last thread, or later on I'll see the weave of the linen, and that will not give a filled in look. Now to the other side, always using the linen grid to guide my thread. Now sometimes we need to push the outline stitch back in order to give a clean line if the outline stitch is leaning over the linen field. So use your finger and push back, and then continue on. And keep on going with our filled in stitch, and it starts to look beautiful and rich and give that lovely color that is the hallmark of this work. Now I'm going to turn the work over and show you how the back looks. This is important to see in order to understand. You don't see any threads going across the back. You see the little tag of the anchor stitch, but you don't see what you'd see in a satin stitch. That wastes an enormous amount of wool. So we come over to the side, come up again, and continue on with our filling in stitch. When we are finished, this is what you'll see. Beautiful, elegant stitches, completely filling in the space with none of the background visible. Please join us for our next video, the couching stitch B, tacking over. Tapestry kits from the Saga Tapestry Center are available for purchase from the National Nordic Museum. Please visit the online store, and thank you so much for your support of this project.